Hey guys, if your Battlefield 6 is not launching on your PC, here's how to fix it. If you have purchased the game on Steam, then just open your Steam, go to library, hit right click on Battlefield 6, go to properties, and you will able to see pop-up like this. There you need to click on install files, and just right here you're gonna see the option verify integrity of game files. Click on that and the game will get repair. Then you can just relaunch the game and see if your problem solved or not. But if you have purchased the game on EA, then in that case just open the EA app, select Battlefield 6, then click on manage, click on repair, and the game will get repaired. Then you can again go and relaunch the game and see if your problem is solved or not. If your problem persists, then you can try the second solution. In this you need to open Nvidia app. If you have Nvidia GPU, then go to graphics, select Battlefield 6 and just turn off this smooth motion option. Then go to global settings and again turn off this smooth motion option. Once you do this, restart the game and see if the problem solved or not. If not, then the last thing you can try is to just open the location where you have installed Battlefield 6, then hit right click on the Battlefield 6 logo, go to properties, select compatibility and just check these two options, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and click on OK. Now close everything and just relaunch the game. Your game should run now. And yeah, this is exactly how you can fix this issue in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.